Hey everyone, it's Carolyn from All Day I Dream About Food, and today we're making a recipe from my new book, Easy Keto Dinners. This recipe, smoked salmon chowder, comes together in less than 30 minutes. It's pretty easy. We start with some butter, get that going and melting. And once your butter's all melted, you can add a 1/4 cup of onion, and this is about 1 stalk of celery nicely chopped up. And I like to put a little salt in here to help them cook. And you just want to cook these vegetables until they're tender. You can saute them, but they cook nicely. Just, you can sort of walk away from it for a few minutes. And then you can just add in some garlic. I've got 2 cloves nicely minced. You just want to cook that until you can smell the garlic, until it's nice and fragrant. It's coming together. So once everything's tender and you can smell the garlic, you just add some broth. This is chicken bone broth. Some tomato paste. It's just a little bit of tomato paste. It gives it a nice red color. And you're going to whisk them together. And just make sure it comes to a simmer before you go to your next step. And once it's come to a simmer, you're going to blend in some cream cheese. It's easiest to do this in an actual blender. That's about 4 ounces of cream cheese. And then I pour my broth right in on top. Now you can put everything back in the pan and you can add the rest of your ingredients. We're going to add a little bit of cream. Actually, that's not a little bit of cream, that's a lot of cream. We're going to add a lot of cream and stir it all together. Now comes for the best ingredient of all. I've got about 6 ounces of smoked salmon here. This is the hot smoked kind. You can use the cold smoked kind too, but it doesn't taste as good afterwards. You can break it up with your fingers. You can have them small, big, however you like it. You could chop it beforehand with a knife. I like to have the salmon in big chunks in there, but you could cut it up more finely if you'd like. And that's it. You really just stir together. It's already done. We like to garnish it with a little chopped onion and maybe some capers. It's a great comfort food recipe. Let's see how it tastes. It's perfect. You can add a little more salt if you like, but this is perfect as is. You can find the full recipe on my blog at All Day I Dream About Food, or you can find it in my new book, Easy Keto Dinners.